English speaking course.
Topic: You rock. Daily English expressions. Description: John, Tom, and Lucas are living in a flat, and they decided to use some tips to save money because the living cost is so high. Let's watch the video to see what they will do to save money. What are you reading? It's the electricity bill. Electricity bill? Well, it's time to pay the electricity and service bills. Yeah, really fast. Prices have gone up so much these days. I'm afraid we can't afford them anymore. Really? I still think it's normal. No, the electricity bill almost doubled. See? Oh my God, just thinking about it gives me a headache. I think we have to do something. Nip it in the bud. But what measures? Cost savings. How can we do that? We need our rules in this house. I think it will be easy. We need to save water and save electricity. I'll see some tips on the internet. You rock. Let's start saving money. Let's give up the washing machine. We can use our hands. Great! And we are healthy, so we must be able to withstand heat well. Turn off the heater early in the morning. Yeah, I was asleep at that time, so I didn't know it was cold. We will do it for a month and see the results. I think we can save a lot of money. Try our best to do that. Right. Make sure we do all things, rain or shine. Of course. Good. Oh, everyone looks tired this morning. You look so funny, Tom. Look at your face. You are no different than me. Okay, I try to spice things up. No, Lucas, I can't sleep these days. Me too. Not only for one day, but also for nearly a week. This is the first time in my life that I have insomnia. I've slept very easily before. How can I sleep when I spend all night tossing and turning to think of ways to warm up? Yeah, I'm shivering. Because we have set the heater to turn off early in the morning. I know, so I have to wake up and wear more clothes. And I woke up to find a blanket to cover. I have to cover 2 blankets. Oh dear. I even do some exercises to warm up my body and go back to sleep. That sounds bad. Tonight, I will apply the method that I have read on the internet. What is that? Imagine you are in a warm place. You will feel warm. Will it work? I don't know, but I hope it will work. Maybe I have to imagine our house is a warm house 24/7. Too bad. Don't give up. It's all for our goal to save money. So far, so good. Okay. Tom, do you know where are my clothes? Don't you remember that we hang our clothes on the rooftop? Oh, right. I forget that. This thing is so new for me. Okay, from the day we decided not to use the washing machine to wash and spin dry, we wasted time washing by hands and drying our clothes on the rooftop. To save money, right? I know. Hey, where are our clothes? Yeah, where is it? I hang them here. Why is there only one hook? Was it ever windy and clothes were blown away? There's Lucas's shirt on the floor, over there. Oh my God, lost time, lost clothes, lost money. When it rains, it pours. What an awful day. So we lost our clothes? Right, no one can help us. Lucas, we lost our clothes. Only your shirt. What are we gonna do now? I'm not sure, but I think they were blown away because of the wind. Normally, we never lose anything. I can't stand this situation anymore. Right? I'm so tired. I am ready to call it a day. No way! 1 month to save money. Don't forget that. Yay! Finally, we finish our campaign to save the cost of living. Campaign sounds too big. I just say that for fun. To celebrate that day, how about having a small party? Great! And party in a restaurant with a sea view. Is it okay? Sure. But we haven't had the electricity bill for that month. Anyways, just have a party. Good. Do you think we should continue some tips to save money like this month? I don't know, because we haven't known the bill for this month. The plan for saving money next month is still up in the air. Hey, Tom, Lucas, we have the bill for this month. Great. Can't wait to see how much money we saved this month. I think we saved a lot of money. Me too. We didn't use the heater much, even the washing machine. Right? I've only washed by hand for a month, but I already feel like a washing machine. You're so funny, Lucas. Now I can go with the flow. What is the result? How much did we save? Wait, we lost $100. What do you mean? Are you kidding me? Check this out. This month's electricity bill is nearly $500. What's going on? Is there something wrong? I can't wrap my head around this. How can it be wrong? So why do we spend more when we save? Give me the reasons for this ridiculous story. Who knows? All right, we will find the reason why it happened. Okay. I still wonder about that. There was only one reason that someone had secretly used electricity. Tom, are you? Why me? It's actually me. Huh? Really? Yeah, because I didn't wash my clothes to fly away, so I secretly machine washed and dried them. Okay, everything is clear now. Me too. More? I used a hot shower because I couldn't get used to cold showers. I'm sorry. You don't need to say sorry to me. Me too. Really? I have dried my hair many times. So that's clear. We all do that. So our plan failed? Well, not only do we not save, we spend more. This situation gets out of hand. Well, I have an idea. Let's be as usual. Just a little sense of saving. That's right. We have also learned a lesson. Every cloud has its silver lining. When prices go up, we know how to save. That's right. So will our plan continue? I don't think so. I agree. We don't need to do that because everyone uses electricity more than normal. Right. It's essential to save money on daily expenses, but easier said than done. Okay, we can do it step by step. Summary. There are some important English expressions in this conversation. Nip it in the bud. Stop a bad situation from becoming worse by taking quick action. I think we have to do something. Nip it in the bud. You rock. You're awesome. You rock. Let's start saving money. Spice things up. To make something more interesting. I try to spice things up. Rain or shine. To do something in any weather. Make sure we do all things, rain or shine. 24/7, all the time. I have to imagine our house is a warm house, 24/7. So far, so good. Things are going well so far. It's all for our goal to save money. So far, so good. When it rains, it pours. Bad things happen at the same time. Oh my God! Lost time, lost clothes, lost money. When it rains, it pours. Call it a day. To stop working on a project for the day. I am ready to call it a day. Up in the air. Still to be settled, unresolved. The plan for saving money next month is still up in the air. Wrap your head around something. Understand something complicated. I can't wrap my head around this. Go with the flow. Go along with whatever happens. Now I can go with the flow. Get out of hand. Get out of control. This situation gets out of hand. Every cloud has its silver lining. Something good in every bad situation. Every cloud has its silver lining. When prices go up, we know how to save. Easier said than done. Be more easily talked about than put into practice. It's essential to save money on daily expenses, but easier said than done.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for a more useful video.